What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to our channel. It's your girl Grace. What's up? How are you doing today? We're about to do an updated brow tutorial. First thing first, we're just going to clean up our face and make sure there's no grease, and we'll have to moisturize. Period. You know what I mean? Period. You know what? I have already forgotten how this pond smells. It smells so good. Like, I can't get over it, and it makes your skin flawless, and it makes your skin feel so good and refreshed. So let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna set the brows using my Maybelline loose powder to avoid any shine and grease, and for it to stay throughout the day. Okay. Yeah, the brush I'll be using for this eyebrows is from BS Small. I got it from Amazon. It's a definitely must. What am I saying? Is you definitely need this for your eyebrows. I mean, I can't stress much on it. First thing first, I'm going to outline my lower brows, and I'm using my Iman brow pencil in blackest brown. This pencil is good. I reviewed Iman product on my channel, so I will be putting the link up here, so that you can go watch it if you're curious to know how Iman product works. And guys, as you can see, I am actually outlining. I think I'm making it more closer to my nose, but don't worry, we're going to cleanse that. It's not going to just remain like that. So to outline the upper of my brows, or the upper brow, I use a darker creamier brown pencil from Wet n Wild in brown, to draw it. Why, you may ask? Well, I use 2 shades of brown pencil because it creates more natural look for me. Secondly, I have more thicker brows there, so I want a more darker pencil to rhyme with the brows up there. Okay, so as you can see, I am carefully following the shape of my eyebrow. Okay, using the Morphe brow pencil in chocolate mousse, I will carefully make my arch look better. And the fun part of this brow tutorial is I will be using my lash glue to lay down my brow hairs. It makes it look better and more natural, especially for us who don't have hairs on our eyebrows. If you are in this league, someone say praise the Lord, hallelujahs, because we are suffering from the same problem. Well, I will go ahead and lightly fill up my brows with that same Morphe brow pencil. I love the brow pencil because it has this, it's it has micro tip or whatever. It makes it more easier for me to fill up and more easier for me to go through. Okay. So once we are done with the brows, here I am showing you brushes that I definitely need to clean up my eyebrows. You definitely need them, okay? And I'll be going in with my Lego Pro Concealer in Fawn and Juvia Splace Foundation in Lagos. People call it Lagos. Place is Lagos, okay? I'll be placing them on the back of my palm. So that I can make the brush as flat as possible. As you can see, I started from the midsection of the brows, and I am flattening. What am I saying? I am flattening this brush to my brow bone as much as possible before drawing the concealer, because listen, sis, this concealer is very important for your brows. So when I got to the front of the brows, I went in with my Juvia Splace foundation in Lagos to just, make it look natural at the front part. And I also use the same foundation brush because it's my shade. Okay, listen, sis, it's my shade. I don't want to make my brows to be looking like, all those aunties. And back home. I don't want it to be looking like that. So I just went in with my foundation shade on the top of my brows and I drew it, I drew and make sure it's looking perfect. And that is why the brush you're using is super necessary for this part, because if you don't like the shape, if you don't like the shape of your arch, you have to depend solely on the shape of the brow of the brush to get the brows you want. Okay, so after that I went in with my NYX cosmetic eyebrow mascara to enhance the brows, and I blended everything out. Sis, just look at that brows. Look at that brows. That brows, Baramoto, your Lagos. I mean, this brow went to Harvard University. So guys, this is the end of the tutorial. If it's your first time of seeing us, please sit down, watch other of our videos, and please, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. All right, see you next time. I love you and bye.